Hey guys, this is Paul from the California retail store here with another first look on a brand new product from Lancer Tactical. This is their brand new 15-inch M4 Keymod SPR that they just came out with the market. Here in the California store, we just got these in. It's really nice. It's a metal rail system, polymer bodies, really solidly built. Feels really nice, perfect for hand over thumb or board grip. Nice crane stock that has a lot of space for any battery that you want to put in. This package does include a battery and charger for 165. It has a 30-day warranty through Lancer Tactical. It comes with one extra magazine that holds 300 rounds. My initial opinion, really nice for the price at 165. You don't really get a Keymod at that price. So come by, stop by the store and check these things out.